Well, welcome back to the channel. Leo here. Well, what do we have here for Siacoin today? Look at that. Look at that. What did I say just a while back? The RSI was too high. Let's go to the recap on that, shall we? Yeah, well, here we are. And let's skip ahead 10 seconds. And yeah, once again before that, thank you for the 17 subscribers now. My gosh, we are growing fast. So 17 subscribers, yes. So now you could see we were at 1.13 at the time of recording, but it went all the way to 1.18 and then it fell from there. So in the community as well. But yeah, without further ado, let's just hop into it and see what's going on. Well, I want to let you know I've already taken profit as well. Because I can see it's looking a little bit too high. We went all the way up to like 1.7. Taken profit as well because I can see it's looking a little bit too high. We went all the way up to like 1.17. I could be wrong as well. This is not financial advice. But as you can see, we pushed really high over here, and on the stock RSI you can see on the 4-hour chart, red has crossed the blue. Anything almost can happen at any moment, but if you look closely over here on the daily chart, like look at the stock RSI, that's insanely high. That's really overbought. Even if the stock RSI, like say we come back down somewhere over here, I don't mind buying back in somewhere like around here at around maybe 64 on the stock RSI on the daily, because if I jump straight into the weekly, like look at that is insanely high. But if I zoom out carefully over here, you can see in the past we got rejected right around here. Now I'm not saying we're going to fall all the way back down to 0.40, which will be amazing if we did. That would be a lovely buyback in, but we need to wait it out and see what's going to happen. Because if I now just go all the way back to Bitcoin, you can see. All right, I'll just end it over here. Anytime now, Bitcoin is looking. Yeah, so now as we get back into the chart, let's see, we are 0.99. Look at that. Amazing stuff. We most probably can drop all the way to 0.95, but let's go straight into charting to check it out. Okay, look at that red engulfing candle. So we have another support right over here at around 0.933. But with such a big candle, such a big engulfing candle, sometimes what happens is we reach a point where it doesn't go more than that, because it's like it's a huge buying opportunity just over here itself, and then maybe it can just go back up and then again slowly fall back down. But be careful of a fake out. Sometimes these candles can go really long and then suddenly the buyback is so heavy it just bounces back up. So I have put some orders over here just to buy back. So if it hits around like say 0.991 or 0.990, I might buy back in as well, because now see on the 4-hour chart that the stock RSI has come down. It might just touch this and bounce, who knows. And if you see this if you see the RSI is almost over here. Now if you see the stock RSI, it's not crossed yet, so we still have an opportunity. Okay, and see that, look at that, in the 8-hour chart still lot of room to come back down. Look at that big candle, dang. And on the daily, as you can see, we're almost there. We came all the way down to maybe this point at 0.982 and then went back up a little bit. It's normal. As you can see over here, this line that I've drawn for the RSI, it bounced. It might bounce again, but if it breaks through that, it's going down. Let's check out the weekly. Let's see how high we are on the stock RSI. Pretty good. We might come back again just over here a little bit and then maybe bounce around a little bit for a day or two, and then let's see what happens exactly. Wow, see that? I think my order's already bought in 0.990. It's already done. So yeah, I hope you've taken profits. If you have, congratulations, because that's a very, very good chance to buy, especially when you get such a big candle. But for me, I'm really, really hoping if we do fall back and we fall back all the way down to, like, say, like you can see this point over here. If I compare that, it's not near, it's like 0.57. That's crazy. It's come all the way down to somewhere here. I can just get that correct. Okay, so just here, and we almost kind of like touched that and went back up. So we are hovering around this point somewhere over here. We do have a little kind of like a support, maybe a bounce, but then after that it's all the way down, because there's no real support apart from this portion that I drew over there, which are very small at the moment, because it has to. This is huge. If it's come up all this way, it might come back down. History might repeat itself, which will be awesome. Which will be awesome, because either way you see it going up or going down is an opportunity. You just need to know how to recognize it. So if we come all the way down from there over here, oh my gosh, that is crazy. Anyway, I'll see you in the next update. Hopefully at the time of this recording, we have dropped a little lower and maybe another opportunity has come to buy back in with a higher price. So I'll catch you in the next one. Peace and be safe. If you're having stop losses, then actually, yeah, let me just give you that. Just give me a second. Let's hop back into the day 8-hour chart and see what's going on. Yeah. So if you have any stop losses, thinking, you know, it might go back up, keep your stop loss at around this point over here. Don't be too greedy at 1.078, because it might just go back up suddenly. But yeah, we have a drop all the way down to this line, 0.931, and if we do break from there, then the next point would be around here at 0.744. All right, see you in the next one. Peace.